started as a course project for two young men, developed into a system of epic proportions. This is their story. What kind of system is it, you may ask? An innovative, knowledge-based system to improve overall communication in the transport sector when coping with transport malfunctions. For every transport company, there's always the boss. The boss coordinates every transporter of the company and sends them out on their way. The transporter is of course the most vital part of a transport company. A company can have different types of transporters who all have their unique cargo features. Every transporter has its own combination of driver, route and cargo. Product is the most important object for the company. After all, the product is why a transport company exists in the first place. Every product has its own unique features as well. This brings us to the destination, the ultimate goal of a transporter. When all goes according to plan, the only thing that remains is a satisfied client. You can describe this as the green way. Sadly, it doesn't always go according to plan. Here's where transporter malfunctions comes kicking in. The red way. The transporter needs to inform his boss. The boss needs to arrange a mechanic, inform the destination and the client about a delay. Now here's where Transport-O-Matic comes in. The system will send information about the malfunction to the boss. He can now inform the mechanic with accurate information. He can arrange a replacing transporter to pick up the product. He can inform the destination and the client with accurate information about the problem. This will all be performed by making use of task models. The system will observe when transporter malfunctions take place. It will observe and classify the transporter malfunctions, and it will observe and configure if the transport can be finished by a replacing transporter. When all done, it will notify and advise the boss. The classification task model makes use of already available data from the transporter self-diagnosis system. The raw data is abstracted in a data space to abstract the data. Classification takes place in the solution space where abstracted solutions are refined to refined solutions. The configuration task model identifies a specification which covers the problem area. The system then identifies the relevant parts and combines them to satisfy the specification. With our system, the boss can now send out a mechanic with accurate information. The boss can now efficiently decide to instruct another transporter. The boss can now enlighten the destination about the situation with an accurate estimate, and the boss can now inform the client with an accurate solution.